Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a Selenite gray metallic. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior with a natural grain black ash wood trim. Panorama sunroof. GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Blind spot assist. Premium 1 package with Burmeister sound system, heated seats. An LED logo which appears when you open the door. Heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Multimedia package with navigation and voice command. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. Hard keys for a media display. Cup holders. Touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. Dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLC has 31,288 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.